Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the BBC. Thank you once again for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. Tonight, because I'm so sick and tired of going on long rides and having this horrible, awful brake dust all over my wheels, it just drives me nuts. So I decided to go with some different brakes. If you saw the thumbnail, you saw that I bought some, let's make sure we get this right, some Power Stop Extremes street performance pads. Now these are supposed to make sure that I don't get as much dust all over my wheels as I do with the regular brakes that I bought before. They were carbon ceramic, but they were dusty as hell. So we're going to try something a little different, see how they work, and if they do what they're supposed to do, what they say they're going to do, then I can definitely recommend these. If not, then they'll go in the bin and I'll try something totally different. But we'll go ahead and get started and get these on. And once again, thank you guys for joining me. Hope you enjoy. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That is just the rear section of the brakes right now. But, of course, it'll all be the same. There's no reason for me to sit here and torture you guys and watch, so you can watch me get dirty putting on brakes. And they're all exactly the same. I do recommend that if you get this set of brakes, that you most definitely get a pin punch set as well, because this comes in pretty handy. To help you get those pins out, so you don't have to worry about using a screwdriver or something like that to beat up your brake paint job and whatnot. So thank you for joining me, ladies, tonight, ladies and gentlemen. I really appreciate you guys. Please make sure to come back and check, see what else I'm going to be doing. There is more stuff coming for the big black Corvette. Some surprises, some things that I have been talking about, and also maybe sometime in the near future there may be another car coming to my stable. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again. Have a great evening. Enjoy your weekend and be safe out there.